Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So I didn't get to go through many coins this week, probably around $500 worth. So well down on what I like to try and go through. But I wanted to show you what I have found. And so, yeah, I've found some pretty good stuff, and I'm very happy with what I found. So, and some interesting stuff. So, now you would have seen my video during the week where I went through and noodled through some 50-cent coin, did some coin roll hunts, and we came across some nice doubling coins. We won't focus too much on that because we have seen them, but you can see there on the 50-cent area, you can see a nice doubling on that coin. So let's not focus too much on that. I did find 3 of them, and also found one Federation, a Jubilee, and the this one here, I can never say this word. Anyway, you can see what it is. Low mintage, so I think it's around 3 million or so of those are produced. I also kept a few coins that are just nice coins that I may put into my collection. So it was just a nice dancing man, fairly nice grade. A very nice grade 1976 20-cent coin. So I'll check my folder coins to see what that one's like, and a nice 1978. So once again, I'll check my other coins and see whether they're any better or not in the folders that I've kept with circulated coins. What have we got here? 1993. Come on, focus. There we go. So I found two 1993 coins. This one's in very good condition, but what I love about this particular one on the left is it actually looks like it's got a double bar, which I wasn't aware of. Come on, focus. And it depends how I hold it, but if you look behind the emu's head, you can see there it's got a double bar. So it really depends on how I hold it, but I held quite a few other coins and checked them out to sort of see whether they had double bars or not. But yeah, this one here certainly has the resemblance of a double bar, and it really does depend how you hold it. But other ones, you can hold it however you want, and you'll never see those double bars. So this one could be special. So I wasn't aware that it ever came out on the 93. And this is a very nice grade, other than this big gash up the top here, which is a bit disappointing. But a very nice coin. But yeah, that was just something very interesting to see, that those double bars behind the emu's head. So yeah, something very interesting. So as you can see there, I found a Ammar Bow from 2017, another low mintage coin. A nice, very nice grade actually. Queensland 20-cent coin, so 2001. So very high grade, which is a good find, tough one to find. A couple of changeover 10-cent coins. I mean, I found a lot that were not worth keeping, but there's a couple I kept. I was very happy to find another 2011 10-cent coin, another low mintage coin, and recently gave away, I think it was 4 of them, for my 500 sub celebration, and I think I've found 4 back since then, so I'm back to square, which is nice. Found 185, which I think is a 2 million mintage coin, which is always good to find. This was cool. I haven't found one of these in ages, and certainly in this grade, to find a remembrance $2 coin, so the green $2 coin, very difficult to find in circulation. So that one there is from 2014, and to find one in that condition yeah, or even find one at all. That was a very nice one, and I only went through one roll of $2 coins, so very happy with that one. A couple of 5-cent changeovers. As you'll all remember, the lowest minted 5-cent coin, so make sure you keep each and every one of them. Just a side comment, I have been finding lots of 2018 5-cent coins, but this week I found none. So maybe I just had a pocket of them and was able to hang on to each and every one I found. But when you all of a sudden you don't find them anymore, it sort of makes you start thinking that maybe they are going to be a low mintage coin. So yeah, this one's a little bit interesting as well. So it's a 1966 10-cent coin, but you see it's slightly rotated. Certainly should be more upright like that. So when I bring it around again, hold it in the right spot and rotate that. Doesn't look so rotated this time, but certainly every other time I've sort of rotated it, it felt quite rotated, but maybe it's not as rotated as what I thought. Anyway, not sure why that is the case now, but anyway, maybe it's nothing special at all. And the last one, which I thought was pretty cool, was the 2015 5-cent missing SD. So this is the one there, and I'll grab both coins. You can see there that there is a die fill at the bottom there, creating the missing SD underneath the 5. You can see that little bit where the light reflects differently there. And if I grab the other one just as an example, come on, right there, you can clearly see SD written. Well, you can't probably clearly see it, but it is there. You can see that there. And then if I hold that one there, you can see that there is no SD. So 2015 5-cent coins are extremely difficult to find in any case. I really struggle to find them because I do check each and every one for this particular era. But it is an extremely difficult coin to find. So make sure you check each of your 2015 5-cent coins as you go through for that era, because this could be like the way that the 2-cent coins are these days, the ones that are missing the SD. So in the future, so that's about all I have for you today, and I hope you have a really good coin collecting week and weekend. I don't think I'll be able to produce really any videos this weekend. I'm heading away to Sydney for a robotics competition that our family is involved with and my company sponsors. So it'll be sometime next week that I'll be able to put some videos together again. But I hope you guys have a great weekend. Alright guys, thanks for watching.